our expectation towards other people may not only destroy other people, but also deprive us from the richness the other person has to offer us. I will explain first how it went along in the Gospel of today with this story, and then the application for today. So in the Gospel, the people were waiting for Elijah. Elijah should be the prophet who would come before the Messiah, that will show the way of Messiah. This role was fulfilled by the John Baptist. He was the one who prepared the way for Jesus. And he was refuted because people found him not recognized him, because they had certain expectation how it would be, how the Elijah should behave. And John the Baptist did not meet the expectations, so they killed him. Herod killed him. And so they were deprived by themselves from this chance of meeting him. And the same they did to Jesus, because they had not recognized him as Messiah. What does it mean for today? I think that meeting other people is sometimes a real challenge of us, because we have certain expectations how other people should behave, what they shall do, what they shall not do. And so sometimes when they don't meet our expectations, we refuse them. We'll say, no, I don't want you anymore. I don't want to meet with you. Sometimes, and so we not only destroy other people, because maybe this being refuted is also, it's something which hurts us a lot. But we also deprive ourselves from the richness the other person has to offer us. So not being closed in our expectation, but allow other people be as they are, is something which you really should do.